Video, I'm going to go over these NORTIV 8 tactical work boots, or maybe even hiking slash all-around type boots. Right away, you guys can notice how big the foam cushion is. They have a lot of foam in this, and it is very cushiony. You see that? And they have a TPU shank right in the middle, so it doesn't have a lot of flex right in the middle, but it flexes all in the right spots. These are 100% waterproof. They do have a nice kind of like sewn all the way down the tongue so the tongue doesn't leak. They have these tactical laces. I really like these cord style laces. They seem to hold nicely. The outsoles have the lug pattern that goes forward for traction like that. Then they go back for traction on the heel going down. The drop seems to be very low on these. You could see the drop. It's right there in the forefoot, right where the toe goes up, and then the drop on the heel. These are very light. So if you want a pair of boots that you can hike in, go running or anything like that on the trails, this is the boots for you. They have a high top, so it protects the ankles right there. The insoles seem to be this kind of like perforated type orange right here. That's a very nice kind of padding right in the instep right there. I really like these insoles a lot, and you can see how they're sewn, so they are 100% waterproof all the way around. I did take these hiking. I went fishing earlier, and then I just kind of walked up and down the trail, walking around a little bit. I even stuck my foot down inside the lake a little bit, pulled it out, completely dry. These things, there is no water at all on them. I think this is a great pair of boots for anyone that just wants to have a great all-around type boot at a super affordable price. NORTIV 8 makes a wide range of a lot of products, whether it's hiking boots all the way down to running shoes and just kind of like kicking around sandals and things like that. There it is. That's all I got on the NORTIV 8 Work Tactical waterproof boots. See you all in the next video.